Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Abdurrahman Turkman and you are watching TechZada. In today's video, I am going to show you 5 ways to fix an iPhone that won't turn on. If you have an iPhone that is not turning on, then in this video, I am going to show you 5 different ways to fix it with and without losing your iPhone data. So make sure to watch the video till the very end, and I'm pretty sure one of these methods will help you fix your iPhone's problem. It will take only a few minutes of your time, but believe me, you will learn something new out of this video. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, before we start the video, let's talk about why an iPhone does not turn on in the first place. Well, there might be 2 reasons. Number 1, your iPhone might have a software issue. Number 2, your iPhone might have a hardware issue. If your iPhone has a software issue, then it can be easily fixed by any of the following methods that I'm going to show you in this video. On the other hand, if your iPhone have a hardware issue, then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you some advice to get your iPhone fixed. So let's start the video. As you can see here, I have an iPhone 6s which is not turning on. The problem with this phone is, I recently installed new version of iOS from the phone settings, and ever since this phone is not turning on. Whenever I plugged in the charger, this phone used to show sign of life by vibrating several times, but now it doesn't even vibrate anymore. It's like completely dead. Our first method is charge your phone for at least 1 hour. Maybe your phone's battery is completely dead, that's why it's not turning on. And charging for at least 1 hour will help you fix the problem. And also, while charging your phone, make sure to use original charger, original cable of iPhones, not something like this. Make sure you don't use something like this. I know this is a Type-C cable, but you get the idea, right? So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to charge my phone for at least 1 hour and see if the problem is fixed or not. And also, I will start timer on my other phone, so we know how long I charge the phone.
One hour later.
As you can see, I left my phone for charging for more than an hour, as you can see the timer. But seems like my phone is not turning on. Alright, now let's check the charger, whether the charger itself is working or not. So now let me charge my other iPhone to test the charger. As you can see, the charger itself is working, but my phone is not working. So just try this method by yourselves. If it works, great. If it doesn't, then you don't have to worry. Just keep watching the video. Our second method is soft resetting your iPhone to fix the problem. This method is also called force restarting. If you have an iPhone which is from iPhone SE, iPhone 6 or 6s family, the key combination of soft resetting is press and hold power button and home button. Just keep press and holding these 2 buttons. Whenever you see the Apple logo, just release both buttons. If you have an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, the key combination would be pressing and holding the power button and volume down button. Just keep press and holding these 2 buttons, your device will turn off. Again, if you see the Apple logo, just release both buttons. If your iPhone is iPhone 8 or above, the key combination of force restarting is press, volume up, volume down. After that, keep pressing the power button. Again, same story. Your device will turn off. Once you see the Apple logo, just release the power button. That's all you have to do. The possibility of working this method is very low, but who knows, maybe it might work for you. Our next method is using a third-party software to fix an iPhone that is not turning on. For this method to work, you need a Windows or a Mac computer with active internet connection. After that, you need a software by the name of Dr. Phone System Repair for iOS. You can get the software from the link given in the video description below. So just download the software and install it into your computer. After installing it, just open it up. After that, click on System Repair option. This software gives you 2 options to fix your iPhone's problem. The first option is standard mode. If you try to fix your iPhone's problem using this option, then this software will not erase your iPhone data. And the second option is advanced mode. If you try to fix your iPhone using this option, then this option will erase everything from your iPhone. So obviously I'm going to go with the first option because I do not want to lose my iPhone data. So I'm just going to click on it. The next thing you have to do is to get your iPhone into recovery mode. This software gives instructions for every single iPhone. If your iPhone is from iPhone SE or iPhone 6 family, then the instruction is like this. And if your iPhone is iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, then the instruction should look like this. And if your iPhone is iPhone 8 or above, then instruction should be like this. So in my case, my iPhone is iPhone 6s, so I'm going to go with the first option. In short, all you have to do is get your iPhone into recovery mode by following these instructions. So now I'm going to follow these instructions and put my iPhone into recovery mode, and hopefully the software will detect my iPhone even it's not turning on. If the software was able to detect your iPhone, then that is a good news. So let me try my luck. Alright, once you put your iPhone into recovery mode, if the software detects your iPhone, then it means that the software can fix your iPhone's problem. As you can see, mine is detected by the software. I don't know how, but it did. Alright, the next thing you have to do is to download the latest version of iOS for your device. As you can see, this software is suggesting me to download iOS version 15.4.1. In your case, it might be different depending on when you are performing this trick. There are two ways to download the firmware. The first option is downloading the firmware through the software by clicking on the start button. And the second option is downloading the firmware through a web browser. In order to download the firmware through browser, just click on this download button. It will open up the web browser and it will start downloading the firmware automatically. So I'm going to cancel it because I already have downloaded it. So I'm going to select the firmware. Next, click on Fix Now, and after that, the repairing process will begin. During this process, do not disconnect your iPhone. Just leave your iPhone as it is. Okay, as soon as the repairing process began, my iPhone screen turned on. I mean, it's a good sign for me, right? As you can see, my iPhone screen turned on, and also the repairing process is almost completed. It's stuck on 99%. Hopefully it will go further. Now I'm more curious about my photos because in this iPhone I have some photos which were not backed up. I don't care about other files like contacts, messages, etc. because they are all synced to my iCloud account other than photos. As you know, iCloud gives you 5 GB of storage to store your iPhone data to iCloud, but mine is completely full. So hopefully it works. So let's see what happens. After the repairing process, if the software comes up with this message that says repairing of the operating system is complete, that means the software has fixed your problem. So let me zoom in to show you. As you can see, now it says repairing of the operating system is complete. That means the software has successfully fixed my problem. So now let's see what happens next. Alright, now type your passcode. I think what the software does is this software backs up your data from your phone, and after repairing it, the software restores your data back to your device. And I think that's what it's doing. And it will take time depending on how much data you have on your iPhone. So you have to be patient. Okay, once the restoring process is completed, now open your iPhone. I do have my wallpaper. I hopefully have all my pictures in there. So let's see. So let's go to photos. Do I have my photos? Yes, I have. As you can see, yes, I have my photos. Looks like I have all of my photos. None of them were deleted. So as I said, I don't care about my contacts and other things. All I care about is my photos. So yeah, that's how this method works. Before I show you the next method, there is something that you should know about the software that I used in this method. The software I used is not free, you have to purchase it. But the question is, would you purchase the software to fix your iPhone's problem? Let me know your answers in the comment section below. And also, which one of these methods you are going to try? Or you have already tried? Let me know your experience in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. So now, let me show you the fourth method. Our fourth method is restoring your iPhone with iTunes to fix the problem. Remember, resetting your iPhone with iTunes will erase everything from your iPhone. If you want to fix your iPhone's problem but you don't want to lose your iPhone data, then try the previous method. And if you don't mind losing your data, then keep watching the video. Alright, now let me show you how you can restore your iPhone with iTunes. First of all, connect your iPhone to computer using your USB cable. Next, open iTunes. After that, click on your iPhone icon. Next, click on Restore. Just go through these steps and iTunes will start downloading the firmware from here. Now I'm going to cancel it because I want to restore my iPhone with the firmware that I already have. So in order to do that, if you are using Windows computer, press and hold Shift and click on Restore iPhone. And it will allow you to restore your iPhone with the firmware that you just downloaded. As you can see at the top, now the restoring process will begin. Now again, during this time, do not disconnect your iPhone. Just leave your iPhone as it is. After restoring your iPhone with iTunes, the next thing you have to do is to set up your iPhone as if it's brand new. So I'm not going to take your time by showing you this setup process because I assume you already know that, right? So I'm just gonna do it off camera, just to save your time. Our fifth and last method is contacting Apple. If you already tried all the methods shown in the video and none of them work for you, then your iPhone might have a hardware issue, and there are two ways to fix it. Number one, take your iPhone to repairing shop. Number two, contact Apple. I recommend you to contact Apple before taking your phone to a repairing shop, because most repairing shop do is they replace original parts of your iPhone with the fake ones. So that's why I recommend you to contact Apple before taking your phone to repairing shop. It's all up to you. The choice is yours. So yeah, that's it guys. That is how you can fix an iPhone that is not turning on. Please let me know which one of these methods work for you. Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if you find this video helpful by any means, then please share it with your friends. Sharing is always free guys. It doesn't cost you anything. And also, if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And I will catch you on the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Peace.